I had a hair Botox done in May, and the effects have just worn out. My hair is mental, clearly. They said the results would last for more than at least 6 months, provided I used a sulfate free shampoo, which I have been doing. But this is wavy. It isn't poof frizzy as it used to be. It's better, but it's definitely wavy and not as unfrizzy or not as smooth as it was in the beginning. I don't know, I've been using a sulfate-free shampoo diligently. It's also just gone, That's just wavy, messy hair. Ah, I was, drooling all over hair Botox and I thought I'd found my good hair deal, because, this was better than keratin. This was better than cysteine results-wise, and, I felt better overall. So I thought hair Botox was it. Suddenly, no results. Very, very quick wear off of the effects. Not too happy about that, given, how much you pay for hair Botox. Anyway, but I think I will try hair Botox one more time before making up my mind. Anyway, Empties. So, at the end of May, I have 69 products to finish up for the rest of the year. Let's see how I have done in June. So, the makeup first, 2 products. The first is a beauty blender. Now this one's actually torn and you can see foundation stain there. I'll come closer to the camera so you can see. This one's actually torn, so time to give it up. This beauty blender did not last as long as the previous beauty blenders have, except for that one time when I kept using Too Faced makeup removers to clean the beauty blender. So it tore very quickly because apparently you shouldn't use oil on them. Apart from that one time, my beauty blenders have lasted very well, except for this one. This actually went in, I think, 2 months or 1 month. Very, very disappointed about that. If beauty blenders continue to disintegrate this quickly, I might have to, rethink their use, find something else. So I do have about 3 unused beauty blenders in stock, so hopefully enough for the rest of the year. Anyway, makeup. This is the Ico Black Magic Mascara, not Eyelure eye pencil or eyeliner, but this is the Ico Black Magic Mascara. Came in an advent calendar. Pat yourself on the back if you guessed that right. Wasn't my favorite mascara. There are better ones out there. Essence False Lash Effect Princess Mascara works much better for me on my non-existent peach fuzz. But this one did not impress me as much. So I've used it up and it's all gone. I will not be repurchasing. Anyway, if you decide to buy an advent calendar, you will get Ico products aplenty, I'm sure. Cleanser, Omorovitsa Cleansing Foam also came in. An advent calendar. Sorry. Despite this being labelled a foam, it wasn't too lathery. It was rather unfoamy, a rather gentle cleanser. Will not repurchase. There are better cleansers out there. And who on earth is going to pay that kind of money for, a cleanser? There are better brands out there, better cleansers, far cheaper, far more affordable, better quality. You get more bang for your buck, more volume. So, won't be repurchasing this either. Essence Purito Fermented Complex 94 Boosting Essence. This and the Galactoniacin Essence from Purito are staples which I sort of replace with each other. It's either this or that. That is a slightly more lipidic version of this. Other than that, I can't see any difference. They both contain niacinamide and 94% fermented complex. They're great essences, pre-serum treatments. They're hydrating, they're brightening. I feel they're very smoothing. I get fewer dry flakes on my skin with them. And they also help with shine control to a large extent, I feel. So we'll always be repurchasing this or that. Day Cream Murad Oil Control Mattifier SPF 15, which I used as a day cream, a day moisturizer. It wasn't mattifying at all. I don't know why on earth they called it a mattifier. I liked it. Other than that, it was a moisturizing product. The SPF isn't much to write home about, just SPF 15. But there are far less expensive moisturizers out there which do contain some SPF, which are not, which are even more mattifying than this one. So I will be sticking to those and won't be repurchasing this either. So not many products that I will repurchase so far, right? Now we move to Bath and Body. Let's do lip care. Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. All gone. No, this did not come in an advent calendar. I enjoy Laneige sleeping masks. That said, I do think Nuxe Rev de Mille and Dr. Lip Nibble Balm and, straight up Vaseline are better for the lips than the Laneige product. I don't know, there was a lot of hype about it. I like it. I'm not saying I dislike it, but I'm saying there are better products out there, straight up Vaseline, without costing as much. Nuxe Rev de Mille, far superior product, a lip balm. And then there's Dr. Lip Nipple Balm, which is also a great product for the lips. This one is not as great as those. It's a nice experience though. It's fun. We'll be repurchasing it. Now, body lotion. The Scottish Fine Soaps Company Citrus Verbena Moisturizer from Bath and Unwind. They had that free gift with batches, which I wanted, so I bought this. Very summery, lovely, lemony smell. Very lightweight, not heavy, not greasy. This will not make a good moisturizer for dry skin or in drier weather. For the summer, the height of humidity, it's a good moisturizer. It's lightweight. The smell is very pleasant and fresh. So may or may not. I think I've got 2 more moisturizing lotions from the Scottish Fine Soaps. Might repurchase after that. We'll see. Body scrub. Sol de Janeiro. Boom Boom Body Scrub, all gone. Smells so good, just like the Boom Boom cream. This is among my top 3 body scrubs of all time. I loved it. I loved how it smells. I will be repurchasing the full size, but not now when there's a heavy code, Black Friday or something. Hand lotion. Soap and Glory hand food, always a staple. Wonderful, lovely little hand cream. Smells great. Hydrates well. Very, very nice. Will be repurchasing. But then I've got a few million hand creams in my stash. Maybe, once I put a dent in them. Foot product, the Body Shop Peppermint Cooling Foot Spray. This is not the first time that I've used this one up as well. I've used this before. This is the last one that I have used up. Not enough at all. It's nice in the hot weather, when you want to cool your feet in the night and you just spritz it on. Then it's good. Other than that, it's not particularly hydrating or anything. So I won't be repurchasing this. I think this was the last one, but I do have some other foot spray left. Well. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 products that I have used up in June. That leaves me with 59 products for the rest of this year. July, August, September, October, November, December. 6 months, 59 products. And so that means that I have fewer than 10 products to use up each month. Will I get there? Stay tuned to find out. Do tell me in the comments what you have used up this month. I would love to see your trash. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell. And I'll speak to you soon.